Good morning, guys. Happy hump day. And if you're watching this, that means you are watching a replay. And I'm going to wait until few of you hop on. Then let me tell you what I'm wearing for today. And also, I wanted to talk about the Kiss and Tell program. So let's cover both of them. And if you're hopping in, say hi and tell me how is your week going on. And for us, it's such a rainy day today. It's so gloomy suddenly. So it was, the whole outside was wet. The driveway is wet already. So the one thing I changed for today, I would say, is today was the royal blue. So I picked this very simple sari actually to go with it. If you're hopping on, say hi. And hi Vimi, thank you so much for hopping on. And so as usual, I have color corrected using natural tan, but for today I have just used onyx because it's a smoky eye look. So for a change, I have used onyx for my eyebrows. Usually I do, thank you Shana. And usually I use rustic brown. Thank you Vimi. It's day 5 of Navratri, and it's almost halfway done, so 4 more days to go. So I'm really what is it, like, accomplished halfway through, so that is good. So the next thing is I have used French roast for my crease. You can pretty much use anything. Like if you want to go a little what is it, like light brown, you can obviously go with Americano, or even rust should work. Anything more blendable. So I have used rustic, French roast, because I wanted it to be more smokier. And thank you Vimi. I think as I said last year, I used to just take pictures in my mirror because no one will be home, so it makes it what is it, like, even if I get ready anyway, no one will be there to take my pictures, and I will not have patience to take the tripod or anything to take outside. So this year at least I have someone to take my pictures. So what I did was I used lapis glitter because I wanted it to match my sari. So if you see, lapis glitter matches exactly well. But whenever you want it to be what is it, like, more darker, I used onyx as a base. Onyx is a black eye color, so you can pretty much use it as your eyeliner. You can use it as a eyeshadow, anything. So I have used onyx as a all over base. That way when lapis glitter goes on top of it, it makes it even darker. So you can use even denim. Denim is a matte blue shade. You can either use that, or you can use something like this where you want it to show darker. So I have used onyx, which is a matte shade, whereas lapis glitter is a darker navy blue, but it has glitters in it. So that's the one I have used for my all over smokier blue look. And the same, I have taken it down to my lower lashes too. So I have used onyx to I haven't used any eyeliner for this look. Instead, what I did is I used onyx in my upper and lower waterline. That way when your lashes will look thicker, but if you don't have to, if you want, you can obviously do eyeliner look, but I skipped it to do it. And I have used what is this, yeah, it's Twilight Shimmer. So I have used Twilight Shimmer on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. So that's the shade I have used. You can pretty much use any colors like warm gold shimmer, or there are many golden color shades, or you can use our golden pencil too. So just to get what is it, like a highlight in the inner corner. So that's the one I have used. Whenever I do my smoky eye look, I don't prefer to do like a contrast bold lip. If you want, you can always do, but my preference is always to go lighter. So what I did is I did blush, which is a very very barely there color. So I did blush and I topped it with the new Pink Fortune gloss. So it is more of a pearly finish pink gloss. So when I combined them, you will have like such a light pink lip barely there color, so which can complement the eye look. That is my idea whenever it comes to smokier eye looks. And I wanted to talk about the Kiss and Tell program. I have actually sent out the individual links too if you want to sign up. With Kiss and Tell, it's nothing but online ordering like you do any other place. But here you are going to, say for example, for Amazon, you are going to pay a fees, but you get, what is it, like Prime free shipping all over. The same way, here you are going to get 10% no matter what your order size is throughout for one whole year, and just for $10. And whenever you order more than $100, you are going to get free shipping along with your 10%. And currently there is a promotion that is the $10 was waived off from till month end. So even if you are not ready, you can just go ahead and order. What you can do is click the link I have sent, or I'm going to post it in the comments, or I will update the description. You can click the link that will take you there for you, and you can just add one product and use as the registration to, when you check out, it will ask you to be a preferred customer. Then click the link, fill out your information, and just remove the product whatever you have added. That way you can still register without ordering even till this month end. So if you have wanted to utilize the opportunity, then you can go ahead and do it, because that way you are not even going to pay the $10. And if you decide to do $100 or more before end of month, you get a free pearl glass too. So that way it is like more than $30 value you get free. So that's the one thing I wanted to mention. So people who like to regularly stock up, this is the best option, because you know what products you are going to order. That way every month you will stock up, at the same time you will accumulate the products. And the other thing was, even if you don't want to order, but you can still register and share your registered link to your friends and family. For example, if you are if you know someone who likes the lip sense, or if you know someone who can utilize the skincare, you can share your referral link. That way when they sign up and order $100 or more, you're going to get $15 credit in your account, which you can use for towards the product. So that's like a easier thing to do. So if you are someone who likes to share things like me, I am always a sharer. Like if I know information, I will share so much to everyone. So if you are, you can utilize that too. And if you are someone who orders regularly, then 3 months if you order $100, then you get $15 by yourself, like apart from the referral. And you can accumulate all those and utilize too. So there are multiple ways to earn, and there are always going to be promotions specifically towards the Kiss and Tell program people. So we need to see what it's going to be on going forward. Since it's just rolled on, we don't know what is coming up, but you can, as I said, it's anyway free registration, so you can register and see, and once it comes up you can utilize it. That way you don't even have to pay the $10 fee for the one whole year. And for today's I'm wearing just a blue jimka from Silvery Official. This is one I was waiting to wear for so long. Like, I mean, I think I ordered it around last November or December, if I remember correctly. So from that time it's been sitting in India in my mom's house, because I thought I'll go pick it up by March, and finally I was able to do it. So I love these kind of big ones. So that's the one I'm wearing for today, and I just wore a bangle from Shakti's Hi-Fi. That's all, nothing much for today. As I mentioned, I'm happy to see so many who is sharing the pictures, who is getting ready along with me. It really makes my day, because being in this quarantine, even though we couldn't meet much, this makes we very well connected and see each other and compliment each other, and it makes what to say, like a more positive day to get ready. That is always my goal. Even if you're someone who works from home, just for a week or so, try getting ready and see how your day goes on. I mean, it sets your mood for a good start, and that way you will have your day goes brighter than usual being in pajama. What more reason you need to get ready? So get ready and celebrate the Navratri and share with us. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.